Hi, my name is Lexi Fallmer, and I'll be presenting on the Community Cat Initiative for Humane Pennsylvania. So the Community Cat Initiative will be a primarily trap-neuter release service to help with the overpopulation of community cats in Berks and Lancaster County. We will also be providing trap rentals and pickup services for the cats, as this is something that clients have asked for in the past, but we don't currently offer, so it's a niche that we will be able to fill with this new initiative. We will also be providing educational services on trap neuter release in general, as well as our program specifically, to help get the community aware of the program and get involved. Through this initiative, we will reduce the number of unwanted cats, and in doing so, also decrease the impact that these cats are having on the local wildlife populations. Some specifications for this project. First and foremost, we are going to require a substantial community involvement for this project to get off the ground. We will need people in these communities to take part in the service, reach out to us so that we can get these cats fixed, and then after we return them, also help provide information for follow-up, such as how many cats are still in the area, if any new ones are coming in, etc. The next big part is going to be detailed bookkeeping. So taking the information that we're getting from clients as well as information from the shelters as far as how many animals are coming in, if the numbers are decreasing as far as stray cats go, as well as how many animals have been spayed and neutered through the service and what areas are having the highest volume of people bringing cats in. This can help us more target areas of higher need. Lastly, acquisition of resources, so making sure that we have proper staffing, a surgical site, whether that be the shelters, or getting a new location for the trap neuter release surgeries, as well as materials such as the traps and medical supplies, and the funds via donations and grants. The major milestones that we're going to be hitting for this program include the planning stage from April 2022 to August 2022. This is where the finer points will be laid out. Any questions or concerns will get addressed, and we will get all the materials needed to get the program up and running. Following this, from September to October, will be the promotion stage. This is where a lot of the community educational programs will be happening. We will host educational sessions where people can come in. It's free. They can get information on the program itself, how they can get involved, what the costs are, if any, to them, and the impact that this has on their community. Moving on, from November 2022 to February 2023, this will be the slow introduction stage. During the winter months, it's typically slower as far as stray cat intakes. They're not quite as active, so this would be a good introductory period to trial run the program, see what works, what doesn't, and fix what needs to be changed before the busier times start. Speaking of busier times, immediately following that is the official start. This would be during what we call kitten season, when the cats are most sexually active. We're seeing the most amount of unwanted litters. This would be from March 2023 to August 2023. This will be when we find out really what works and what doesn't in the program during much busier times. Following that is the review stage, which will be from September to October of 2023. We will review all the data that we've collected during the year, as well as what changes need to be made. Maybe some processes worked during the slow times of year, but they absolutely do not work during the busier times. So we can make any needed adjustments here to better set us up for future years with the program. And here we have an infographic. Nice and pretty simplified to hand out to the public to give them sort of an idea of the timeline for this project. So it has the major milestones and the dates that I've previously mentioned, as well as a description of sort of what to expect during those times, so people can have a good idea of when this program will be available to them and what to look forward to. And here are my references. Thank you.